In this video, I'll tell you how you can modify values in the Endless Abyss using Cheat Engine. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and leave a like under this video. Before starting, make sure Cheat Engine is installed on your computer. You'll find the download link and installation guide in the description. Launch the Endless Abyss and keep the game running. For this tutorial, I'll be showing the process using Greenfield Valley because the Endless Abyss isn't suitable to display directly on this platform, but the method works in a very similar way. Open Cheat Engine, select the game process, change value type to all, and enter the exact value you want to search for. Click First Scan and wait for the search to finish. Then return to the game and make that value change. If you're searching for money, spend some or earn more. After the number changes, go back to Cheat Engine, enter the updated value, and click Next Scan. Continue narrowing down the results until only a few addresses remain. Double-click the correct address or edit it manually and enter the value you want. Some counters refresh instantly, while others require another action before the new amount appears. Once you get comfortable with the scanning process, finding and modifying values becomes much faster and easier. Thanks for watching. I would be very happy if you would become one of the subscribers of this channel. Check out the suggested videos and also leave a like under this video. See you soon.